Changing the email link to your PlayStation account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your current account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the account management or profile section to find the option to manage your email. Step 3. Select the email change option. In the account settings, locate the option to change your email address. This is typically labeled as change email or edit email. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, enter your new email address. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the change and check your new email for a confirmation link to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your PlayStation account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date.